Alright y'all, today is September 28th, 2022, and today we're taking the advantage of getting a free car wash at the brand new Xpress Car Wash in Longview, Texas. It's next to the Andy's Frozen Custard. Today is actually its soft opening. Tomorrow is actually its grand opening. So, why not take advantage of a free wash, you know? Save like, what, 20, 25 bucks worth. Oh, there's a sign, free car wash, right there. Alright, just down here on the left. Here we go, y'all. Free car wash. I'm excited, hope y'all are too. Free car wash, free car wash. They still have the coming soon sign. I think I can turn in this way. It actually is fairly busy. Alright y'all, welcome to the brand new Xpress Car Wash in Longview, Texas. On opening day. Well, not the real opening day, but the first day. We have made it, y'all. I mean, these things are basically copies of Tommy's Express, but just a different name. It's all that it is. Yep, second Tommy tunnel on the channel. It's okay. It doesn't matter. It's fine. I don't have to use the ribbon. Oh wait. Okay, I wonder if that guy was trying to. Better give him the spot back. Or I'll just or maybe he's dipping out. I'm confused. Okay, she's telling me to go forward. There it is, y'all. Brand new.
Let's just zoom on some of the equipment back here.
Alright, so there are your wash options on your right. 20 for the top, so 10, 12, 17, and 20. Hello, doing good. Alright, yeah, I'll take it.
Okay, have a good day.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so yeah, I guess I'm gonna look at the pamphlet after the wash. Alright, y'all, here we go. Hope y'all are ready for the big moment. I am going to make sure my camera is focused, and I'm going to focus on getting everything situated properly. Oh, it has that annoying voice. It'll still be cool. It goes up. Here we go. This is the top wash, by the way. Wow, this one was really quick. Holy moly. I might try if I can get a ride with my friend's car tomorrow. T for Tommy. Just to the push my transmission like that makes it really easy to shift into between drive and neutral. Wow, that was really quick. I think that was quicker than the last one. Dryers did amazing. You know, Tommy tunnels are amazing. So yeah, brand new. Check it out. For those on the live stream, get a free wash if you're in the area. Tomorrow, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. is what I was told. But yep. Hope you all enjoyed that. I'll show the pamphlet on the live stream, by the way. So, okay, I'm ending the video. Hope you all enjoyed that wash. And yes, thank y'all for watching. That'll be it for this video.